Did you know that you can drag and drop one or more pages from your PDF file to the Finder, so it will save a new PDF with the selected pages? That's cool, but there's another way to save all the pages from your PDF file. Just select the PDF in your Finder, run Spotlight with Command Space and type split PDF. And you will find the shortcut action split PDF into pages, run it with Enter and select your PDF file as the input. And after that, it will save all the pages in your downloads folder. But there's a better way. Just select the PDF file, make a right click and select Quick Actions. And there is my own shortcut, split PDF and save. And when I run it, it will save all the pages to this folder directly. In this video, I will show you how you can get this shortcut, and of course you can download this shortcut and many others from my Patreon website. So now let's start. Open the app Apple's Shortcuts and click on the plus button on the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Then click on Title to name your shortcut, for example PDF Splitter. And if you click on this little icon, you can choose a color and an icon. Then switch to the info menu and select Finder. This will enable your shortcut into the quick actions. And now you will see a little action field. Click on Apps and 18 more and disable every selection and enable just PDFs. And now switch to the action menu and search for PDF, and there you will find the action split PDF into pages. Double click on it, and now we have to save all the PDFs. Switch to the info menu and enable provide output. That's it. And now open the Finder and select your PDF, make a right click, choose Quick Actions, and there you should find your shortcut ready to go. And now watch this video how you can convert and resize multiple images just with one click. See you next time. Bye bye.